and how can I help?
All right, I'm excited to show you what we're going to be doing here because we're working with Daisy brand cottage cheese to show you easy breakfast ideas. So I'm going to show you my cottage cheese banana pancakes. I have coconut sugar in here. I love what I go
coconut sugar.
I go to Hawaii a lot, so I work with coconut sugar, which I love. So we're going to mash up the banana. So we're going to add 4 egg yolks go inside there. I'm going to add 1 cup of Daisy brand cottage cheese. The great thing about it is it only has 3 ingredients. It has milk, salt, and cream. And what do you add inside of a pancake or a waffle? Those ingredients.
Those,
cottage cheese.
Exactly, it's one-stop shopping.
Okay, we're gonna add a little bit of low-fat milk. Dump the flour in.
Okay.
This is baking powder. Cinnamon. Okay, and we always say this every time I do the show. Yes, a little bit of salt. Salt elevates baking. So I'm gonna add the egg whites that I whisked in. And then when you mix this, when I went to baking school, this is one of those tips they teach you. You cut and you turn.
Beautiful.
Drop it like it's hot right here. Look at this. So
adorable.
I have about medium-high heat.
Let me show them what a stack of these looks like. Remember, you can pop these right in the freezer.
Right?
Adorable.
Aren't they delicious?
There you go.
So what I have here is I'm going to make my miniature little cottage cheese quiches, okay?
So you've got mushrooms and shallots. You cook some out here.
We're going to add a little bit of parsley and a little bit of chives. Cottage cheese is making a comeback. It's super versatile, easy to prepare, and a good source of protein. So what we're gonna do is I took wonton wrappers, which I have right here. You guys seen these at the store, these little wonton wrappers? Instead of getting a crust or buying a pre-baked shell, I bake these for 5 to 7 minutes. Take this delicious filling, and I fill it right inside the cup. I'm gonna add the eggs with a little bit of salt and pepper. I take 1 cup of cottage cheese that goes inside here, okay? Then I take a little bit of milk, and then this mixture goes right over the top of the cremini mushrooms.
Nice.
They smell so good. I finish with a little bit of white cheddar. They bake off in the oven.
Put these ones